Virtualworkforce.ai promises to automate repetitive email workflows using AI agents that can write replies, organize emails, extract information, and complete tasks automatically. I spent a few days testing this platform, creating my own AI agents, connecting data sources, and running real-time scenarios to see how well it actually works. Stay here, because in this review, I will share my honest experience using its key features, my thoughts on pricing, pros and cons I discovered during my testing, and whether it makes sense to give it a try. Let's dive in. Hey, it's good to have you here. If you haven't seen my videos yet, I am Aaron from TheBusinessDive.com, the guy who helps you to find the best productivity apps so you don't have to spend time and money. As always, you can find the link to virtualworkforce.ai in the comments and description. Also, don't forget to subscribe my newsletter below to get the list of best productivity apps I use every day with exclusive discounts. Virtualworkforce.ai is an AI agent platform designed to automate email-based workflows. It allows you to create AI agents that can read incoming emails, generate draft replies, categorize emails, retrieve information from connected knowledge sources, and extract structured data from emails and attachments. Sounds good, right? But let's see how it performs in practice. After setting up my workspace, I created my first AI agent. The setup process starts in the AI agent section, where you can create a new agent and configure how it handles incoming emails. The interface is split into several tabs: Overview, Settings, Link Connectors, Actions, History, Email Testing, Chat, and User Access. In short, the Overview tab serves as a central hub for the agent, while Settings is where you can define the agent's instructions and behavior. On the other hand, Link Connectors lets you to connect email accounts and other data sources, which is essential because the AI agent cannot process emails until the mailbox is connected. All the AI-related functionalities are in one single place. So I could configure the agent, connect knowledge sources, test responses, review activity logs, and manage access from the same section. The User Access tab is particularly useful for teams because it allows administrators to control who can interact with or manage specific agents. Overall, the process of setting up my agents felt straightforward and quite simple. There are 4 core automation actions: draft, label, forward email, and document entry, but I will talk about this a bit later. The draft action automatically generates email replies based on the instructions you gave to the agent, the connected knowledge sources, and the content of incoming messages. After using virtualworkforce.ai for a couple of days, I noticed that it normally generates the email replies within a few seconds. The quality of the responses was consistently strong, particularly when the agent had access to relevant documents. The label action adds categories directly inside your email client. When I enabled this feature, the system categorized the emails almost immediately, and the assigned labels appear directly in Gmail. However, I realized that this feature can go beyond simple email classification. For example, teams managing a shared inbox could connect customer or order data and automatically label emails based on the responsible account manager, customer service representative, order status, or other internal criteria. Forward email allows agents to automatically route messages to another recipient based on configured rules, which is useful to avoid manually forwarding emails to colleagues all day. All these features work smoothly during testing, but honestly, I was mostly interested in the data extraction. So let's see whether it delivered or not. The most interesting and advanced option I found during my review is the data entry, which combines email automation with structured data extraction. Instead of simply reading an email, the agent can identify predefined information and save it as a structured record. You can select whether it should extract the information from the email body, attachment, or both. Also, you can assign different document types that you can create here. And the fact that you can create your own document type with numerous fields that the platform should fill out from an email can save you from a lot of admin burden. And this feature is really impactful, as you can see how many document types people entering into CRMs, ERPs, transport management or warehouse management systems, and more. Using API connections, you can push these records prepared by the application into external systems such as CRMs, ERPs, or other platforms. This can be especially valuable for industries like trading, manufacturing, or logistics, where teams often spend significant time manually transferring information from emails and documents into internal systems. Ultimately, this feature impressed me the most, and I can see the real value behind it. Another powerful feature of Virtualworkforce.ai is that you can connect it with your own data sources, so the AI agents will be more personalized. It supports different connectors like files, APIs, databases, SharePoint, Dropbox, and email memory. During my testing, I uploaded some of my software reviews and connected them to my AI agent. After the files were processed, the agent could use the information instead of relying only on the AI model. I tested it by asking specific questions about the files I uploaded, and the AI agent successfully found the right answers from the documents. What I also liked is that it shows which sources were used to generate the response, so you can easily verify where the information came from. I even tested it by asking questions in another language why the documents were uploaded in English, and the AI still understood the context and found the correct information. The reason why it was one of my favorite features is because this feature was way more than just a simple chatbot. It uses your business data, it understands it, and offers personalized responses. Before using the AI agent in real workflows, Virtual Workforce.ai allows you to test everything inside the platform. I use the email testing feature to simulate incoming messages and check how the agent creates replies, uses my knowledge base, and triggers different actions without sending real emails. You can also chat directly with your agent to test its responses. Another feature I liked is the History tab, where you can see previous interactions, generated drafts, labels, extracted information, and whether the agent used connected data sources. Lastly, Virtual AI includes a feedback system where you can rate AI responses, making it easier for teams to review outputs and improve their agents over time. Since Virtual AI works with emails, company data, documents, the security is a crucial aspect. I discovered that they are quite transparent about this and provide a public trust center where you can check their security practices, privacy information, and compliance details. Virtual AI is ISO 27001 and ISO 9001 certified, follows GDPR and NIS2 requirements, and is currently working towards SOC 2 Type 2 certification. I didn't find any security issues, and it was great to see that they take the security seriously. Virtualworkforce.ai offers a pretty generous free plan that includes one AI agent, AI email drafting, email labeling, chat with your data, API integrations, and one connected data source. The paid plan starts at $19 per month with annual billing. The professional plan unlocks more agents, users, integration, and more. For larger teams, the growth and team plans add more advanced features like shared mailboxes, unlimited users, analytics, document processing, and more data source integrations. There is also custom enterprise pricing if you need to manage more than 30 AI agents. To summarize, I enjoyed using Virtual Workforce.ai and especially loved the level of transparency. When testing my agent, I could see exactly what happened behind the scenes, including which data sources it used, why it created a specific response, and which actions were triggered. This made it much easier to improve the agent over time by adjusting the instructions and workflows. I was also impressed by the speed. Draft replies, labels, extracted information, and other actions were usually generated within seconds. Another important thing is that Virtual Workforce.ai keeps you in control. While the agent created email draft for me, it never sent anything automatically without approval. That said, the quality of the AI agent is heavily dependent on your setup. The better your instructions and knowledge sources are, the better the results will be. The only thing I would improve is the dashboard. While you get detailed logs and history, I would like to see more analytics and performance insight directly on the main dashboard. Other than that, Virtual Workforce.ai is a capable platform that shows you how useful AI agents are when they are deployed in the right environment and with the right settings. Here is a quick breakdown of what I found after testing this platform for days. First, It has an intuitive interface and a smooth onboarding process. Second, the automation features work really well, and the data extraction is especially powerful for avoiding manual data entries. Furthermore, I appreciated the knowledge base capabilities. Another strong point is transparency. As mentioned, you will always see what happened behind the scenes. Moreover, it offers flexible integrations and workflow automation options. Lastly, the pricing is competitive. In terms of limitations, I would like to see more dashboard analytics, but I did not find more drawbacks I should mention here. Virtualworkforce.ai is a great choice for teams that handle many emails and want to automate tasks like drafting replies, organizing messages, or extracting data from emails and documents. On the other hand, if you need a simple AI writer that assists you occasionally with email writing, it's not gonna be the best choice for you. If you want to try virtualworkforce.ai, you can find the link in the comments and description. That was it for today, guys. If you have any questions about this application, just let me know. Happy to help. Catch you later.